Everybody, today, we're gonna do our chicken enchilada soup. This is one of my favorites. I love this soup. If you ever been to El Pollo Loco or any of these Mexican restaurants, they have this soup and it's so good. I'm just gonna show you an easy way to make it with a few simple ingredients. Now, you do have the option to use red enchilada sauce, store-bought, or you can make your own. This is what we're gonna do. If you've ever used the red enchilada can shit, that's cool too, but this is a better flavor. Usually, I do everything from scratch, but I wanna make it easier for my viewers. So, if you've ever had enchilada soup and you loved it, tell me where from in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So first, we're gonna start by rehydrating our New Mexico chilies. I've already de-seeded them. I just cut them open with some kitchen shears, took all the seeds out the stem. We're gonna rehydrate these for about 10 minutes, and then we're gonna throw them in the blender and make that good enchilada sauce. All right, now let's start making our soup. Like I said, fairly easy. This is the most important part to me in this soup. We have a tablespoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of paprika, tablespoon of onion powder and garlic powder. I have a tablespoon of chicken bouillon and a tablespoon of cumin. That's all you need. So now we're gonna add a stick of butter because I love butter. I choose butter over olive oil, but I do use olive oil. Olive oil has a high heat content, so of course it's better to use, especially for steaks, but I just love butter. And no, we're not adding flour. It's not gonna be like a thick soup like y'all usually see me make. It's gonna be a nice thin soup. Get that butter melted. All right, our butter is melted, so now we're gonna add our onions. That's 1 cup of diced onions, and we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Now we're gonna cook these down till they're translucent, then we're gonna add our seasonings and all our other ingredients. So now we're gonna add our seasonings. Now, usually, because the recipe calls for 6 cups of chicken stock, but I'm using chicken bouillon in there, so we're just gonna use water. Now, I like to cook my seasonings because I feel like cooking them, the heat just activates more flavor. But that's just me. Some people like to throw their seasonings in after they throw the broth in, but I like to activate those seasonings. Now let's add our water. And now we're gonna add a cup of diced fire roasted tomatoes. Well, 2 cups, I'm sorry, 2 cups. We're also gonna add 1 can of black beans. That's the 15-ounce can. 1 can of pinto beans. Then we're gonna add 2 cups of shredded rotisserie chicken. And while this cooks, we're gonna let it simmer on medium for about 10-15 minutes. While this cooks, I'm gonna get my cilantro ready, and I'm gonna throw some cilantro in there as well, and we'll be ready to plate. All right, now we're gonna cut some cilantro. I'm gonna put some in the soup, and I'm gonna leave something to top it after we plate. All right, now that our chilies are hydrated, I'm gonna throw them in my Blendtec. We're also gonna add some of that water. So let's make this sauce. All right. Yes, we're gonna use the strainer and we're gonna pour that in. Just get your spoon, stir it around till all the liquid is gone, till you have a paste. Stir that up. Oh, it smells so fucking good. Oh. We're gonna let it simmer for about 10-15 more minutes, and then it's time to eat. All right, now that our soup is done, we're gonna add a couple more ingredients that's gonna take it to another level. First, our avocado. Then we're gonna add our cheese. Sonny likes extra cheese, so we're gonna put all that on there. I'm gonna put our fried tortilla. Let's put a little extra. I'm gonna add some jalapenos. I'm gonna add some queso fresco. Some more cilantro. And a lime. And there you go.
Ah. You're just running across my mind. I need a spoon, chef. Hello, chef. How you doing?
I'm great. How are you?
Wonderful. What are we eating today?
Today we're eating chicken enchilada soup. You've had this before, you've liked it. For a person that doesn't eat soups, but
you don't gotta keep telling them I don't like soup. They
you
know
like
I
my
don't.
soups.
They know I don't like soup.
I have a question for you before you do that.
But
What are your top 3 soups that I make? Or do you even have one? Pan roast is one of them.
I was gonna
That's
say
kind of
the
a
shit.
stew soup.
The shit you make. The shit you make from oyster bar.
Yeah, pan roast and
No, the
the chalpino without the
Chalpino.
tomato.
Yeah, that's gonna be my top. But this one is, if I had to pick, cause that's really not a soup.
Yeah.
If I had to pick, this is probably my favorite. It got cheese in here.
A lot of it.
Yep.
It's in the middle. There it goes.
You know I like it. That we got cheese, we got a little avocado, jalapenos. Look at that cheese pull. Oh my God. Yeah.
Fire.
This is probably my favorite. Cause it got the beans, the chicken. You know I love cilantro. And you got the crunchiness from the tortilla. And this is probably my favorite soup. I don't ask for it though, but I might ask for it this winter.
You should. God forbid if you're ever under the weather, this would be it.
I don't like
Add a
soup.
little spice.
Yeah. This is probably my favorite soup because of the flavor.
Because of all that fucking cheese.
And I'm like, damn, she like cheese.
Shit, cut it off. Yeah, that's cool. Oh my God.
Y'all remember burnt tortilla? Is burnt tortilla still open in Gardena?
I don't know. I've never been.
You never been to burnt
Was
tortilla?
it like a happy hour spot, El Torito type?
Well, no, they didn't have liquor, I don't think.
Oh, okay.
Did they? I don't know, but they chicken tortilla soup was kind of like this.
Fire.
The beans
Listen.
set it off.
The recipe will be in the description. If you make this, I want you to come back to this video and comment how good it was, because it's going to be fire, okay? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And what else? My nigga, enjoy.
I was